Right now, what I have is some names with all uppercase. What I need to do is change these to something like these. So to do that, I have to use a formula. I'm going to make insert a column. Then I'm going to apply this formula here. It's called proper. Then I need to select the cell to apply this formula. So this is the one. Then close the selection. And I'm going to enter and watch what it does. Ta-da! And what I'm going to do is just copy this formula. And then apply it to the whole column. Voila!